Part of team. Part of team. Part of.
Chat focus. Ow.
Team part of.
Alright, Goldie. Chat baby, let me something, baby. Alright, Goldie. One more year upon them.
Hey, mute the summer now. Mute this now.
Come for this. Me not get money yesterday. Every day I get money.
Yeah. Mute the talker phone.
Hold this.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing said. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. The minute up on the beat and it can't see. But on the screen, all you for deal with. You see my people, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Rosalie and Jake. As you heard her say, she never gave him something yesterday. But it was told to me today that she in fact did give him some front. This is what I say, and the person said, Macka let you in on exclusive Jakes and Rose F yesterday. Yes, me dear, them promise each others not to say anything and work the net and pretend like them don't want each other. Someone with immediate connection to them pinch me and tell me, exclusive, wow, go on, because me rate you, yeah. You hear it here first. People putting in the comment section where you think about that, because I'm not gonna lie to you, Rosalie was kind of calm yesterday, you know. You see my answer? Now, some say them see it, while some, well, we don't know if them do. You see my answer? But one thing for sure, the whole world is clamping down on the new girl, Keke. You see my answer? But most importantly, she's answering some questions, my people. People that say, what happened to your pitney? Specifically your daughter, because they're saying like she give her away and things. You know what I mean? So she's talking about, you know, those type of things. And you know, who she be and all of this stuff. So let's take a look at what I go on for not to go on and proceed with the next.
Look now, you sit down, it them not guarantee if you come and take care of you. It is not guarantee. You have to do your best as a mother. And a whole heap of pitney now, me hear say this. A lot of parents, they steer them pitney in the right direction in a life. And sickness, a lot of parents direct them pitney in the right way. And when they grow up, they go in the opposite direction. And when they go in the opposite direction, the only thing they can say, no, say, I never saw me grow. Whole heap of man what turn bad man, I feel like say, so them parents grow them. A whole heap of girl what turn prostitute, you feel like say, they come from a parents who sell them body. That's why my mother then always say, steer the child in a one way where he or she never depart from the truth. So yeah, some pitney, when they out there, they live their life, the words what them parents tell them is still a knocking at them head. Kids are not assets either. So no for not treat kids like they're assets, yeah, you're all the assets. Alright, Miss Gavi. Yeah. You feel me? Kids are so ungrateful. So when me attack, I'm not being selfish. It's not a selfish talking. I'm not trying to say let her kids suffer. I'm not trying to say let them starve. I'm not trying to say don't try to give them a best life. But you have to put yourself first. No, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say pitney ungrateful for no reason at all. Pitney ungrateful for no reason at all. A lot of parents sacrifice them entire life for pitney. And pitney grew up and just big and ungrateful. A whole heap of parents pause them life for pitney. And pitney grew up and never not think about them parents and say, oh, mommy sacrificed their life. And I see my mother, they go through this. So guess what? The only thing me can do, make it be a point. make it be a point of my duty if you care food, come give me parents every 2 weeks. Some man deal with no parents like a dog. No for uno, how much girl you see grow up in a one home. Some of uno not even no mother door no change. Not even a mattress. No for uno not even care out to no mother upon birthday and say, mommy, take care of yourself. For 1 and 2 pitney you see, really look out for them mother and respect them mother and make them good. Right now, if me fi open up my box and make woman come talk or they sacrifice their life for pitney, you go hear. So me not try to encourage nobody say to stop your life because of a pitney. Do the most necessary things. Make sure they have a shelter over them head. Give them love. Feed them and send them to school. But remember, say you have a life too. So not be, a lot of people think say having a child I end the world is not the end of the world. So me can't deal with low-minded people and how people view life. See, I'm like come here, so me tell people me not believe in a church. You go tell me say me not believe in a church. I don't believe in a church. Me tell you say me not religious. So anything with religion, me not do it. Even in the plane, they tell you to put your oxygen mask before helping others. Okay. See, I'm like, come and tell us, say, me even believe in a religion. Don't tell me nothing about religion. So anything I have to do with religion, me not believe in it. Exclude me out of it. Because I'm a spiritual being. And when a person is a spiritual being, kids are no reflection of nothing. So when we ask this, when some man they go turn bad man, you go tell me, say, them parents, then can see turn bad man. Kids choose the life for them want to live. Influence. The word influence are strong. Look on Wally Pitney. And when they start go high school and take influence. So you go try to tell me say when some pitney go to school and they have certain behavior, the appearance all the time. So my time is not appearance. Do you think your daughter will resent you later in life? As me tell you, I don't know. Them have a saying in a life say when you reach certain bridge, you cross it. In a certain situation, me can't answer. Me can't tell you say yes, my daughter can take care of me. What if my daughter grow up and corp and just say fuck mommy and my man me I go deal with her? So when my daughter grew up and tell me say fuck me if she choose that, me supposed to have money. Did you know say a lot of people where you see in the street are beg them parents, them pitney them rich and have money.
Yesterday. Why was you being rude to me yesterday when I wasn't even being rude to you?
You're sober now.
Why was you being rude to me when I wasn't the one being rude to you?
You were so drunk. A chance if you remember anything.
Remember say me I call you. If you just fall in your business, me never dare say nothing. And me just call you.
Maybe a new Monday, hold on there.
Me no want
Hello,
no
miss.
slime is good enough for me.
Good night.
Good night. You show a girl a face. Me give one man.
No. Slime, we knock out my teeth them.
I go jump add me back because I can't talk to darkness. Let me add her back. I not be mean to her. What she did? I tell him, yeah. So back to you don't know. Do you believe in Jesus? No.
Yeah, and then you lie. You go over there, go tell Jake say, oh, me I be rude and me want to come by your hype and me I add you.
Baby, me not this year no, but about 9 o'clock, me depend one sensitive topic. One reason with my people them then get back to you. Here.
Yes, and don't be
Love
rude
you.
because I was rude to you. Move your blood clot and go on later. Me never know say I'm money idol. I don't like that nigga.
Oh, alright then. Let me tell you now what I believe. You know what? Before, if you no judge, listen, sometimes you have to listen to a person how they talk. Give me a chance to talk, just that I want. If you not go in the comment section, me not go explain myself. So if you no feel no way, me a go no chance to type. When you're not ready, you just give me a chance to talk. Alright then, I make explain myself. You see with me, me is a very spiritual person, like me very spiritually awoken. And you see me before life and everything, when I was in this world, when thank you very much, when me used to do a party, me did love man, me used to use my body and all of these things and everything. All of these things, me was in the world, me used to go to church, me used to believe in a Jesus and all of these things. When I hit age 25, one morning I wake up out of my bed. And when I wake up out of my bed, I just hear one voice call me and say, come here, me have something to show you. I follow the voice and I make the voice lead me. So from age 25, I start my spiritual journey. Being on my spiritual journey, I've gone through my darkness, like me can tell you literally where me I come from. I get what me I say. You see, there is a God and Jesus and the same thing, and the spirits them real and God real. So me now go tell you say God not real. You see, God him real, and the spirits them of this were real. You see, church, for me personally, based off of everything, you see, when I go to church, because first of all, the Bible is a whole different meaning. Then telling the Bible say God now go destroy the earth by a flood and he send a rainbow and everything. Yet natural disaster go there. Natural disaster come. How much people homeless and people are being flooded. Next then go back in their words and say, yo, do not question God. You're not supposed to question him. So then try to manipulate in a lot of ways. And for my ears, me dep on earth and everything I see church in a church. Put your mind in a one lower vibration. So you know it's a mind control thing where you can't meet your higher subconsciousness. So you see, as long as you go, it's a division, it divide the people them because them bury your mind. That is why one of my favorite quotes in a life, as I go through life, Bob Marley tell we say, free yourself from mental slavery, and only we self can free you. We. So you have to understand, say nothing of society no good. It no good. Society no good. Them build a church for lower we mind, the school for wall long pitney their mind, prison for trap them. Everything is a trap in the whole matrix system. So you see in a life, you see as long as you're in a church, as long as you're in a church, it put you in this low vibration thing, and it church infill fear into you. Fear just to tell you, oh, if you do certain things, you're going to sin and you're not going to see God's face. When you're out of the church, and you go in a wilderness, and you go up in a hills, and you spend a lot of times by yourself, and you're not in a church, you rise to your higher subconsciousness. When I talk certain ways, people are going to say you're mad, you're going different. Only few will understand. So me I try tell us say the storm come other day. Me have a video where me can show you before the storm come, me could have predict it, me could have see it. Why me could have see it, the spirit them real, me believe in I spirit them, the spirit them talk to me, me encounter with them. There's nothing you cannot ask me about spirituality what I don't know. You have to free yourself. So when people oh you're mad, you're this, you're that, bro, it's nothing like that. So me show you something. You see in a life, then tell us say if you tell lie, if you, before storm come see, go up on my page, look on him. Then tell her this in a life, say if you tell lie, you're not going to see God's face. If you do this, when in fact in a life you have to wise to go through this life. A lot of people ask, what is the meaning of life? Two things. Wanna hear me? To a lot of people say, what is the meaning of life? If not, I never know what it. Wanna hear me? Una hear me? Oh, a lot of people ask me what is the meaning of life. There's two things about life, the most two important thing in a life. You're supposed to come, you're supposed to observe life. Me talk about that. Observe and survival. A lot of people, the reason why them suicide, them end their life on certain things because them don't know if they survive. Life is all about survival. And when I go through this life, you have to really smart. For sure you this, then tell us if you go then at this life now you make $1 million and a person come and ask us say like Keke, how much you make on TikTok and you know say you make $1 million. You cannot go tell him, oh you know say me make $1 million. You go put you know wise. That I go put enemy by yourself. So you have to say, you know, say $10 me make. So the rules what society make, let me tell you, the rules what society make is to put fear upon uno so uno can act accordingly in a for them system. If uno ask me which religion me believe in.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. No, if you want to see more bagga with, you know, Jakes and ex-chef and you know who, Keke. Yeah, go up on my Credible Boss channel, isn't it? Now time for the bagga and mix up with Andrae, Stevens and Macka Diamond. Because like I said, people, you have good leaders out here, but them focus is not in the right direction. This is what I say. And a lot of people is turning this catastrophe into political agendas, whether orange or green. You know, some of them on nobody team. You see what I say? But me say the distraction because them don't want the people them to unite. That's why me say you have good leaders out there, but their mission, you know what I mean, it's not the right one right now. But nevertheless, Macka Diamond do one video basically telling people to leave, you know, the Prime Minister alone. Because, you know, I'm coming under heavy fire from what they so, you know, Andrae Stevens tagged her and said, yo, at Macka Diamond, the people at Waterford is tired to see your suffering of your sister. That not look good. Go fix your family situation before offering criticisms to the Jamaicans who are speaking out for their rights due to poor leadership. And the Prime Minister is offering to the nation at this time. Stop upset with spirit. Go and do your part and offer some assistance to the people them of Western Jamaica as the other entertainers are doing. Yeah, and her response is, you know, please avoid her and don't ask her what she's giving back. And then she posted up a picture of her sister. I'm guessing for that same community, saying for tag, you know, Andrae Stevens, and says to my sister, yeah, I'm going to church. You see my saying, and our big house. So people for stop fooling. You know what I mean? And she tag her thing there and all of these things. So I'm just again a quick update in the night. So just do the right thing and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.